In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your account chess.com. If you've recently created a chess.com account, one of the most important things you'll need to do is activate it. Account activation helps verify your email address and confirms that your account is ready to use. Fortunately, the process is quick and straightforward. And in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to complete it. Shortly after creating your account, chess.com typically displays a notification reminding you to activate your account. This message usually appears near the top of the website and serves as a helpful reminder that there is one final step remaining before your account setup is fully complete. To proceed, you'll need to access the email address that you used during the registration process. Open your email service and sign in to the inbox associated with your chess.com account. This is where the activation message will be delivered. Once you're inside your inbox, look for an email sent by chess.com. Depending on how recently you created your account, the message may appear near the top of your inbox. If some time has passed since registration, you may need to scroll through your emails or use the search feature within your email service to locate the message more quickly. When you find the email from chess.com, open it to view its contents. Inside, you should see a prominent button that allows you to activate your account. This button is specifically included to verify your email address and complete the account activation process. Go ahead and select the activation button. After clicking it, a new browser tab or window will open automatically. This will redirect you back to chess.com, where your account verification will be processed. Once the page loads, your account should now be successfully activated. At this point, you can return to chess.com and continue using the platform with your verified account. You may also notice that any activation reminders previously displayed on the website are no longer present. Activating your account is an important step because it helps ensure that your account information is confirmed and allows you to enjoy the full chess.com experience without interruption. It's a simple process that only takes a few moments to complete. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, activating your chess.com account is fast, easy, and only requires access to the email address you used during sign-up. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.